Good day, my name is Shirley Lisette Alomi Avidal. Allow me to give you a brief description of my mother. Okay, let's begin. My mother's name is Joana Patricia Vidal. She was born on December 9, 1992. She is 33 years old. My mother works at Ashines restaurant as a chef. Her work hours are from 11 in the morning to 6 in the evening from Tuesday to Sunday. During the morning, she exercises to maintain good health and good physical. On her days off, my mother she travels to cities or towns near our municipality, sometimes accompanied, but in most cases she likes to be alone as she wants to enjoy this as much as possible. And no more. Thank you very much for your attention.